Okay, friends, for today's lesson, we're going to do a Pear Deck. So what you friends need to do is first, you're going to go to joinpd.com. When you are done with that, you're going to have to enter a code. Our code for our assignment today is going to be EXA space JGK. And then it's going to pop up. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling okay? Or are you feeling very sad? I'm feeling happy. Now you get to begin our lesson. Our lesson is on beginning, middle, and end, the very hungry caterpillar. You're going to go to the next slide. Whoops. You're going to go to the next slide, and you're going to be able to watch the very hungry caterpillar.
Good grammar and spelling.
When you're done watching the very hungry caterpillar, I would like you, here's the video. After you're done watching it, you're going to have to put the sequence of the events in order from beginning to middle to end. So after you're done watching it, you're going to come to the next slide. And it says, draw a picture in each box to represent the sequence of events, beginning, middle, and end. So I'm going to hit this next button, and that's where all these fun colors start to pop up. And now you're going to draw your picture for what happened in the beginning. For example, if I think the beginning of the story is the caterpillar, seeing the caterpillar, I'm going to draw a very hungry caterpillar. My caterpillar is going to be a little big. And if you decide you don't like something about that, you can always erase it. Make sure you're on pencil in order to draw. Then I'm going to draw his head. He has a red head. And then I'm going to change my color to black, and I'm going to give him some eyes. And maybe a mouth, because he likes to eat. And then he needs some legs. And there's my very hungry caterpillar. But I want you to make sure that you're drawing a picture to represent the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story. And friends, remember, if you don't know or you can't remember what happened, you can always go back and rewatch the video. Okay, friends, enjoy this fun Pear Deck. I'll see you back on the other side. Mrs. Estrada out.